Wish the internet was faster. And then through quantum electrodynamics, right, in which the function creates a physical property interpretation to zero, in where the theoretical prediction of a mathematical results to reconsider the missing or assumptions, where the system has a special limit state where traditional concepts of zeros apply. Right now, the no observable phenomenon exists in a region of a closed space in which that will be calculated or undetectable. And in through that space, we have to assume that if we can calculate the space from A to B, whether it be an observable space or not, from A to B, that we can calculate a distance of lights of across from one point to the other. And if we can do that, we can calculate in a closed space an idea to some relevance on in some technicality in space how far that would be, because we can calculate its light years. But now we've contributed it into a scale size mass variant where we're able to determine that this is 100,000 light years. Right now we can convert that to a weight. All right, so if we take 9 trillion kilometers and we take the volume, all right, we can convert centimeters to meters. Oh, I can actually bring this up. Look, so if we take, right, the light years, right, as 9 trillion kilometers, right, and we convert that volume, right, and now we convert kilometers to meters to 10 to the third meters with a standard volume. Right now we can now convert an energy density to volume, where we can convert energy into joules, and now we have an Einstein equation for an equivalent where energy is calculated, and now we are estimating with Earth's gravity, and in which we apply newtons. Right? That's like basic shit. Anyway,
anything else that we've talked about so far. But in in quantum gravity, as far as we can tell, there's a way of using effective field theory to compute entropy in
right.
the fundamental description of the system.
That's right. Now, when we have a described system,